Welcome back to another vlog. This is like a very impromptu vlog kind of, and honestly we're at the beach. We're in St. Mary right now and I feel like this is gonna be a very short vlog. I'll probably drop this spontaneously on the channel, but we're in St. Mary for a turtle release today and I'm so excited. Literally this place, I've been wanting to come here for the longest time, but I always miss the releases. They already started because we're a little late, but I'm running to join the group. It's supposed to be about 45 people, I think, and basically they're releasing turtles today. I think they're hawkbill turtles if I'm not mistaken, and they are, I'll explain to you guys in a bit more about like this initiative.
And that means we'll still have a beach at the turn of the century for turtles to come and land. If it carries on the way it is, give it about 30 years and Jamaica will only probably have about a third of the beaches they've currently got, just due to sea level rise. So unless people start to do things now, it's going to be a problem, all right? So that's the sort of thing that we do, and what we're going to do now is we're going to go over there and play with a few turtles. So if you follow the gentleman that's going that way, all right, we'll get sorted.
Almost perfect picture, you know.
I'm vlogging. Oh, let me go catch this.
Take a bit of the sand away, you'll start to see them digging out, right?
How do they like breathe inside?
Take that one back. So there's one that isn't washed and there's one that is. If you look at the one that's washed, there's like a little oval on the stomach, and that's where the egg was attached to it that it grew on. Alright? Now basically, if it's a nice flat stomach like that that's healed, that's fine. Check that both eyes are open, and that's what you've got to do when you wash them. So you'll be holding them with your finger and thumb, in the sea once, in the sea twice, third time, check there's no sand, the eyes are open, the belly's right, and then it goes in the bucket at the front that's the clean bucket, okay? Then we're going to do that, then we're going to move along to the next nest and do that one, then we're going to do the next one after that. Okay? Loads of turtles to play with, so don't worry. You're desperate to hold them. Excuse me. Don't worry.
Everyone will get a chance to hold
Finger and thumb.
Oh, you're so good. Okay. No, okay, brother. wash him off. He is fighting to get off from my neck. I'm gonna wash him off, but mommy, I see mommy I take a picture. I'm gonna wash him off. Is this fine?
Yeah, fine.
His eyes are open. Yeah. My shirt is so wet. The last one. The last one in the out of all 3 buckets that we just released. Gotta dip him 3 times.
What happened to him?
It's been at the bottom of the nest, and it's like when you lie on your arm at night. All that's happened is there's nothing wrong, but when it gets in the water, it'll start to use the back flippers. At the moment, these were folded under as it went.
Yeah.
So if we just move it out a little bit like that.
And help him out.
Yeah, and what I'll do is, if I put him 6 feet away from the water, he'll be fine. When he gets in the water and he starts to swim, he's going to use his front flippers, and then eventually it'll get used into the back ones.
Okay.
We try to make sure as many as we can go out all together. But you can see, at first you couldn't see the flippers, now you can. So we'll see what happens.
She has a very tiny flipper.
Look after this one, right, put it down just there, and follow with you, make sure it gets in there.
Look at this one right here.
Just stand behind it, and just make sure it gets in, okay?
To the like turtle sanctuary, if you want to call it. You call it a sanctuary? I don't know what you would call it, but I'll put the name of the organization on the screen. Basically what it is like they started an initiative where they basically protect the nests of like the hawkbill turtles, and every year during the seasons when the turtles are hatching, they allow people to come onto the property and to help with like releasing the turtles. And I've always wanted to do this. I wanted to do this for years, and I just never got the opportunity. I've never been able to catch like whenever they open up slots, because they do it in like small amounts. And yesterday, after watching the races, Olympic races, they literally, I turned the notification for their Instagram page on like a couple days ago, and I saw the notification come in, and I opened it, and 3 seconds they posted their story for 3 seconds, and I reserved the spot right away. And I told Mom, I was like, Mom, this is what I want to do for my birthday, because we didn't get to do anything for my birthday like with her. I'm like, Mommy, this is what I want to do. And yeah, so we ended up going. But since we came to St. Mary, I wanted to come to this lighthouse. It's called the Galena Lighthouse. I'm going to put the name on the screen as well. But they're currently working on it, so I'm sad because I wanted to take a really nice picture of it. But it looked like they're refurbishing, because it looked like they're concrete. You see that, Mommy, at the top? Like they're fixing it and stuff. So kind of sad. So I feel like next time I come to St. Mary, I definitely have to come back, because I want to be able to see, because the door is supposed to be blue, painted blue, and then the whole thing was white. So hopefully when I finish refurbishing I can come back. But this is really nice. So nice. Yeah, I definitely want to come back here when they're finished with this place. But anyway, since they're refurbishing it, there's not much to see, so I definitely want to come back. I want to come back to St. Mary. I want to explore St. Mary more, guys. There's so many untapped places I haven't seen.
That one?